Okay, I wanted to take a real good look at problem 5 and to look at some big ideas at the end of this. Okay, math fruit costs $2.50 per pound at the Slope Guy Market. Okay, so to fill out the data table, 0 pounds costs $0. 1 pound costs $2.50. 2 pounds would be 2 times $2.50 per pound, would be $5. 3 pounds would be 3 pounds at $2.50 per pound, so you'd multiply to get $7.50. 4 pounds would be 4 times $2.50 each, would be $10. Okay, for the constant of proportionality and the unit rate, okay, in this problem we're talking money. Okay, we're talking money. So when you're dealing with money, you want your constant of proportionality to look like dollars. Okay. So when we do the constant of proportionality, just take any set of data in your data table and take a y divided by the x. So I chose the easy one, the one with the 1, because that's the easier one to work with. So if I take 250 divided by 1, I'm going to get 250. Okay, $2.50. That's the constant of proportionality. And if I think about labels, it'd be $2.50, so $2.50 divided by 1 pound. So my unit rate would be $2.50 divided by 1 pound would be $2.50 per pound. Okay, so our constant of proportionality, just keep it looking like money, 2.50. And the unit rate would be $2.50 per pound. Okay, to look at the graph, just put the data in, 0 pounds, $0. Okay, next, 1 pound, $2.50. Kind of have to approximate here. Okay, here's 1 pound. Okay, there's $1, $2. Okay, there's $3. So $2.50 would be halfway between $2 and $3. Okay, so there's 250. Okay, for 2 pounds, $5. Over to 2, up to $5. 3 pounds, $7.50. So over to 3 pounds, $7.50. Okay, I'm across from 7. And right now I'm across from 8. So 750 would be right in the middle. Okay, there's 750. Whoops. Okay, about there. 750. 4 pounds, $10. Over to 4, up to 10. Okay, there's my line. I'm going to go my points on my line. I'm going to go ahead and draw the line. Right there. Okay, to find my slope, okay, my slope is rise over run. You can pick any 2 points you want. I chose 2 points a little bit farther apart. I thought that'd be a little easier. So to get from one point to another, I'm going up $5 over 2 pounds. Okay, I'm going up $5 because that's cost over 2 pounds. Okay, because that's my x-axis label. So my slope would be $5 over 2 pounds, rise over run. That'd be $2.50 per pound. Okay, then it asks for my equation. My equation is y equals some number x plus the y-intercept, like we did earlier. Okay, the y-intercept is 0. Because my y-axis is right there. And my y-axis is being crossed over with my line at 0. So my y-intercept is 0. That goes at the end. My 250 is my slope. That goes in front of the x. And there's no really any reason to write down plus 0 because that doesn't change anything. So my equation is y equals 2.50x. So my slope here, I'm going up $5. I'm going over 2 pounds. So my slope, if I take 5 divided by 2, I get 2.5. So it's 2.50 because it's money, $2.50 per pound. So my equation is y equals 2.5. You can have the 0 in the equation or not. It doesn't really matter as much, but I went ahead and stuck it in. Y equals 2.50x. Okay, how much would 10 pounds of math fruit cost? A couple different ways you could reason this out. You may not have even done it one of my ways. Well, if I know that it's 250 per pound, I know that I'm going to take the number of pounds times 250. So I could take 10 pounds times 250, 2.5, and I get 25. Okay, another way to do it is to carry on the pattern. The left side of my data table keeps increasing by ones. The right side of my data table continues to increase by 2.5. So if I follow that pattern, I'm eventually going to get to 10 pounds equaling $25. Okay, and I'm sure you guys, some of you probably came up with even a different way to come up with the answer. Okay, but the answer to that would be $25. And what I wanted to do is for you guys to think about, where do you see that constant of proportionality? I was hoping you would see that it's everywhere in this problem. The constant of proportionality is in this problem so many places. Okay, the constant of proportionality was 2.5. Okay, 2.5 is the unit rate with labels, 250 per pound. Okay, you got the 2.5 when you found the constant of proportionality in your table. You took y over x. 2.5 divided by 1. Okay, there's my unit rate again. My constant of proportionality is going to be the same thing as the slope, because I went up $5 over 2 pounds. When I took rise divided by run, I got 250 per pound. Okay, that constant of proportionality is the number in my equation. It's in front of my x. Okay, I just wanted you to start getting used to, and you probably have figured this out with the other problems you've done, but you keep popping up with the same answers throughout the whole problem. Okay, so that constant of proportionality or unit rate is found from the data table, taking y divided by x, or using labels to get the unit rate, 250 per pound. Okay, you can find the constant of proportionality from the graph by finding slope. Okay, up $5 over 2 pounds, that's 250 per pound. That constant of proportionality is in front of the x in the equation. Okay, because there's going to be a lesson where you're just kind of focusing on the constant of proportionality. Okay, this may be a good screenshot, just this one part of the video, just to kind of help you see where the constant of proportionality is. Okay, let me know if you have any questions at all.